Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this DocHub guide for 2026, I'll show you how to edit a PDF in DocHub. Whether you need to add text, fill out forms, insert signatures, highlight content, or make annotations, DocHub provides a variety of tools to help you modify PDF documents online. So let's get started. First, sign in to your DocHub account and open the PDF you want to edit. If the file isn't already in your account, upload it from your computer or import it from a supported cloud storage service. You can also use annotation tools to highlight important sections, add comments, draw shapes, or place marks throughout the document. These tools are useful for reviewing files and collaborating with others. If a signature is required, select the signature tool and either draw, type, or upload your signature. Then place it in the appropriate location within the document. As you make changes, review each page carefully to ensure everything appears correctly. Zoom in when necessary to verify placement and formatting. Once you're satisfied with your edits, save the document. You can then download the updated PDF, share it with others, or continue managing it within your DocHub account. And that's how to edit a PDF in DocHub. With its built-in editing, annotation, form filling, and signing tools, DocHub makes it easy to modify PDF documents directly from your browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.